I say the goods and the bads of a restoration group is it takes a long time, but you can still see a difference within a year or within a couple of months. The environmental restoration group, it helps provides jobs for teenagers and young adults, and it also helps bring awareness to the community.
So we are removing horehound. This is the invasive stuff. And we are also removing this stuff, which is mustard. It's also invasive. And so we are removing all of this as much as possible.